Hello there. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to repair a bathroom monobloc tap which is leaking through the mounting holes in the glass fibre bath. I'll use this fixer tap kit which is made in the UK and available from various retailers of plumbing supplies, including the manufacturer themselves, Essex Partners Limited in Liverpool. The link is in the description below. The intent of the kit is to provide a high integrity seal and prevent rotation of the taps. The kits are colour-coded for different types of washroom fixtures. This blue kit is intended for 36mm diameter tap mounting holes and fits tap thread size of 3/4 of an inch. It costs £8.30 including sales tax at the time of recording this video in summer 2023. Unpacking the kit, I can show you the contents, which are 2 recessed rubber plugs, 2 wide brass washers, and 2 rubber washers. I will take the opportunity to replace the brass fixing nuts at the same time as I fit this kit. The only tools I will need for this job are a 27x32mm box spanner with Tommy bar and a flat blade screwdriver to isolate the water supplies. Okay, let's take a look at the situation prior to the repair. I need to remove 2 flexible hoses and loosen the brass back nuts. I'll isolate the water supplies at each isolating valve using the flat blade screwdriver. Open the taps and disconnect the shower hose. Loosen and unscrew the flexible hose coupling. Loosen and unscrew the tap brass back nuts. And finally remove and drain the monobloc tap unit. The existing black rubber washers are too small to give a satisfactory seal compared to the larger items in this repair kit. After fitting the 2 recessed rubber washers around the threads of the monobloc tap, refitting is in the reverse order of removal. You can see that the tap is now secure and won't rotate. Firstly, fit the large white rubber washers to the underside, then fit the large brass washers and screw the brass back nuts back on. Tighten the back nuts using the box spanner. Refit the flexible hoses. Reinstate the water supply at the isolating valve. And finally check for normal operation of the tap, now without any leaks. Job's a good 'un. Thanks for watching. Goodbye for now.